Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. So today as a part of this session, we are going to see how to get all the Apex classes, your LWC components and all your test classes using Salesforce DX, basically SFDX commands in Visual Studio Code. I'm pretty much sure friends you will love this video because I personally have struggled a lot into running into the developer console of the which comes as a out of the box from Salesforce. But if we use some editor like Visual Studio Code or IntelliJ, life becomes much more easier. So for that, what we are going to do here now is so basically we will open up your Visual Studio Code, we will type Control Shift P and then we will if you see here a small command called SFDX create project with manifest. So we are going to need to click on that, and hopefully we will be getting a prompt wherein we are able to select the project. Mhm. I created. Now I'll select the standard. I will select the new trailhead. Maybe I'll give this project name. I'll save it into this folder and it will create a new project. And if you see here, the project has successfully ran. It has opened up this new editor. Now what we'll do, Control Shift P again, and this time we are going to set our default org and SFDX set moment. Control Shift P. Now we are going to set the default org. Mhm. Now we are going to authorize this dev hub. Yep, I have the log I have provided the login.salesforce.com. Looks like I started multiple instances, so let me close all the other irrelevant processes. Uh, all right, so it shows failed to run. Let me set the default org. Let me give some name as new. Now it is going to authorize my org. Okay, I need to authorize an org failed to run. Bear with me, friends. We will be doing this. Let us see this time we are able to whether we are able to authorize an org or not. Our goal is to get all the metadata classes into our Visual Studio Code. Set a default org. Let us authorize a dev hub. we have set up this default username, and now what we're going to do here is basically we're going to right click and see the click. If you see here, there's something called as retrieve source in manifest or from org. We'll click on this and we'll see we'll see if we are able to get this all the values in the, like, basically are we able to get all the values in the in our source directory in our. And if you see here, uh, if you see here, the all data types and the data types and the lookup search result, all all has been deployed to force app main default folder. And if you go to the force app folder, under that you will see classes. And if you see here, which are the these are the classes which I want. And basically these are the all the things. Like if I click on, one of the class, so basically it has brought all the metadata classes from the Salesforce to your Visual Studio. Now you can simply make changes here, and once you are happy with your changes, you can just right click and go to deploy source to org. So that's it, friends. With the one click of a button, you can get all your data uh, checked into the source, like the to the repository, and this is like which will be like a single source of truth for you. And hope you like this video, and you can give me a like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. You have a great day ahead.